I did have some amendments I wanted to make in the municipality of Ogembo because I come from there. But Mr. Speaker, I've seen the 17 million which was proposed to be there in Ogembo, Mr. Speaker, they have removed and it's now zero. I want to thank them very much, Mr. Speaker, for the work they are doing. Thank you. One time, God will cry with the people of Ogembo. If you can remove from a small municipality which is starting, and you remove money completely from their development, not even a single cent for the municipality of Ogembo. Mr. Speaker, I have given my proposals, but I want still to say thank you for the wonderful job you are doing. Thank you very much.
But Honorable Paradiso here, Honorable Speaker, said that Honorable members, Honorable Speaker, have eaten money. That they give 5 kilometers, there they give 2 kilometers. Him is very thorough in doing his job. We wish you well, my brother, in your MP aspirations. But let these honorable members be saved from that anarchy of common mwananchi, saying that Honorable Yagi, Honorable Moracha, Honorable Teresa has eaten money while Honorable Paradiso is doing a very good job at Ogembo. That is why the good committee of budget said that we have given you a lot of money in the budget in Ogembo and other places. So you see yourself to be doing a very good job under the budget of committee. So it's better, Honorable Speaker, to do what it did so that we can be equal to be seen working the same way. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Honorable Cullen for 3 minutes, actually 2 minutes.